Today I got in the post a small, very small tube of Daniel Smith watercolor called Lemon Yellow, and by Jove, it's a bright yellow. I was disappointed with the yellow I had, so I went ahead and bought it, and I'm glad I did. So I'll mix up some of that with some of the orange and see if I can make this colour of this bird really bright. Add a bit of water to it. I'll need a bit more orange because it's got orange there around the eyes and beak. It's a beautiful colour, it's so rich. I quite like painting birds, as long as they're not too complicated in the feather department, because some birds have very ornate feathers and they do or can pose a real challenge. Right, that's okay. Nice to have a challenge. Yeah, we've got some Payne's Grey here, which I'm going to mix at the top with some brown. Beautiful coloured plumage, I must say. I'm doing all these at the moment on cream coloured paper. You'll have an idea just how cream they are when you look at the piece of paper that's on the opposite side there. You can see it's quite creamy. But I intend going on to some white paper. I've just got some Hansen paper that's just arrived. So tomorrow, with a bit of luck, I'll be able to do a drawing on that. I'm really looking forward to it too, because it's cold press and it's got a real texture to it. So that'll be something as a challenge. So I'm going to carry on here. I'm going to put in a bit more paint grey. It doesn't look like black, I know, but very dark grey colour. But I think I need that as a contrast. Got this dark bit here where the wing is underneath. Right, coming along. If you've got a particular subject that you want to see done, or any other comments that you want to make, just put them down in the description box below, or any other questions, and I'll get back to you and endeavour to answer whatever queries you have to ask me. It's the bird's actually standing here on a rock surface, so I'm just going to render that in there. Give it a bit of texture. A bit of colour like that. And going back into the blue, we get a bit of blue sky behind the bird. I love this Daniel Smith lemon yellow. It's so bright, and when you mix it with other colours, it really gives them a lift. So there we are. Another subject finished for you. I hope you enjoyed it and you'll subscribe and like and comment and all those nice things, as that would be very much appreciated. So until then, cheerio for now. Bye bye.